Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my typical mommy nighttime routine. This is just my everyday, literally repetitive, what I do after I put Adriana to bed. Usually my nighttime routine starts around 8 p.m. and I really try to put Adriana to bed a little earlier than this, but she tends to push it as far as she can. I also try to push cleaning till the very last minute as soon as I put Adriana to bed, because I realize that me picking up in the middle of the day or throughout the entire day of being home is pretty much a waste of time, because it's just going to get messy within 5 seconds. So I really kind of do my cleaning if I do want to pick up and straighten up the house before bed. I do usually do that after I put Adriana to sleep. It's a lot easier. I can kind of skim through it really quick. Sometimes PJ helps me, but I tend to kind of just do it myself because I know that if I do it the right way. I guess that's kind of the OCD clean freak in me. So I'm basically just cleaning up a little bit, picking up some things, and straightening up the couch. I hate when the couch is messy. I don't know if that's like a clean freak thing, but I can't stand it. Also, there's not much dishes this night because we kind of already cleaned up after dinner, but I needed to clean up her high chair, wash a bottle or two, and I definitely like doing this during the nighttime because I hate waking up to dishes in the morning. It doesn't always plan out that way. I do have dishes in the morning sometimes, but if I'm feeling a little bit energized and not run down or super tired, I will do the dishes the night before, and it just kind of makes me feel a little better waking up to no dishes and a clean house.
There ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in the phone.
After the dishes, I will head back to our bedroom, and I'll usually take a bath, but I actually had already showered this morning, so I'm obviously not going to wash my hair and do all of that twice. So I'm just kind of taking off the makeup that I had throughout the day. I love these wipes, you guys. I will list everything down below that I'm using in this video, but these are the only makeup wipes that do not break me out. I don't know what it is about these. They smell really good, like cucumber. I think they're actually called Yes to Cucumber. They are really good, and I basically only need to use one wipe and it gets all of my makeup completely removed so I can wash my face.
Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah.
To cleanse my skin, I've been using the Garnier Skin Fructis Gentle Cleanser. I've actually been using this cleanser for years, and I feel like I always run back to it because it makes my skin feel so smooth. It gets all of my makeup off, and I just love that it doesn't break me out. I've also been using my Vanity Planet spin brush again. I used to own a Clarisonic, and it used to break me out really bad, and I've truly never had a problem with this Vanity Planet spin brush with breaking me out or making my skin feel rough in any way. So this has been my all-time favorite duo for morning and night.
Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listen to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody.
For pajamas, I basically just find something comfy. This little Cinderella set is actually from Walmart, And I go in and then cleanse my face with my tried and true Garnier Fructis micellar water. I've also been using this just as long as the cleanser. I really love these two products. This just kind of gets off any excess makeup, gunk, oil. And then going straight in with my Arbonne serum. This is actually a brightening serum. It is so amazing. It smells really good. I promise you guys, this is not Arbonne sponsored or anything like that. In my drawer, if I was to show you guys what products I use, these are the only products that I own is Arbonne's skincare. It is a phenomenal skincare line. I have noticed such a change in my skin. I am going to do like a before and after because it is a dramatic change and I think you guys would really like to see that. But I have no acne hardly, no hyperpigmentation as much as I used to. I have no texture bumps and I truly want to thank Arbonne's skincare. Especially the eye cream, it has eliminated my dark circles a ton, and I also really love using it underneath my brow bone to kind of help prevent any wrinkles that may come a little bit later because those are hereditary, so we want to prevent those. Then I'm going to head over to the kitchen, and I've been also drinking my detox tea from Arbonne as well. Again, not a sponsored video. This is really what I do every single night. So I'm just drinking my detox tea, and I love having this like after, you know, a big dinner. We did have pasta this night, so kind of just de-bloats you and really clears out your liver and kidneys and just is great for your body, especially before bed. So I'm just going to be putting that in my Queen of Everything mug that I got from Target and going to relax on the couch for a bit.
Yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art. Yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art. Yeah.
Usually this is the time where I like to reply to your guys' comments. I will edit videos. I will catch up on a couple of my favorite TV shows. I still absolutely love Teen Mom 2 and Teen Mom OG, all those shows. So this night I was actually catching up on Teen Mom because it's pretty rare that I can watch the shows when they actually air on TV. So after I put Adriana down, this is the time that I really get to just have to myself and take care of the things that I want to do.
We were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying
Usually around 10 p.m. I do start to get pretty tired and I'm starting to doze off at this point. So I head to my bedroom, and usually me and PJ will go to bed at the same time. He hardly ever stays up past when I go to bed, but he was actually finishing something, so he came to sleep around like 10-15 minutes after I was done filming. I always plug in the monitor next to my bed and I turn on my air purifier. That's the little black machine that's by my bed as well. Has been helping with my allergies a ton because I suffer pretty bad during this time of year. And I will also pull out a book if I'm not extremely drained and read a couple of devotionals. I've been really loving this devotional book that I just recently got from Barnes & Noble. And then after I read a couple of devotionals, I will head to bed, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I know the videos were a little off this week, but there will still be 3 videos as usual. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Everything feels like art, yeah.